we go. All right, time to get some work done before people get here. All right, let's do this shit. So I've had this idea for a while now. I just need to figure out how to execute it correctly. So essentially what we're gonna do is, where is this? So I want to copy this whole thing. So we're gonna pass skip options, and then we set GLSL source. So we'll probably copy all of this. I'm just gonna fuck, that is true. I gotta pass back a GLSL thing. I'd have to do everything. Fuck, there's no way of getting around that. Yo, Yeti, what's up? How you doing? I mean, that's the only problem, is that I have to set the version outside per thing. Man, this sucks. It sucks. I might just have to bite the bullet. I'm not gonna hold you. Ah, boy. So you do file paths and then I guess, yeah, I mean, I guess we're just gonna have to bite the bullet here. Oh, that is true. We're gonna have to include specific stuff per thing. So what about this? So what are we including for this? Oh, I moved it into the .h file, right? HLSL, GLSLD, and Cordy. Yeah. How do I do this? Excuse me. Maybe I just create a whole separate class to read in SPIR-V stuff. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I need to. I don't want this to be inside the graphics.h file. Like, part of me, like, I understand that this needs to be abstracted out, but I'm trying to figure out how should I do this. You load the shader, but then maybe I could just make a .h file for Dream. So I just put in the file path, right? And then we do all this. The shader code. No, what is this happy-go-lucky music? What is happening? I feel like I need to be frolicking in like a meadow. So where is shader resources then? Which file is this in? spurvycross.hpp. Okay, how about we just do it that way? spurvycross.hpp. And we do, it's called load shader resources. Or let's do yeah, so let's I can include Spurvy Cross HPP, right? I like it. It's just, it doesn't fit the mood that I'm in right now. I'm in an inquisitive mood, but I feel like I need to be over here talking to like Alice in the Wonderland or something like that. I don't hate it. It doesn't fit the mood right now. Graphics. What is it from? That's a good question. Seventh Dragon? Does that mean anything to you? Seventh Dragon? Did I just include the .h file? Oh, it's the HPP. Yeah. Okay, so then we just go to... You know what? Now I'm a little bit sad that it's gone now. Ah, fuck. It's just that that's a lot. Or, that is true, we could just make a class. That is a good point. This is a struct. Can I get away with doing this? Let's see. There's just one thing that I created. Load. So we have the uniform list, and we pass in a reference to the resource. What's up, femboy? Nothing much. Fem girl. Wait, what? How am I a femboy? Nice try. Yeah, it's worth a try. All right, let's we could just name it uniform list and call it a day. Or we could leave it a uni list. Okay. And when inventory system working in UE, feeling good. Oh damn, finally making some progress. Finally. So now here I include what is it? Where was it at again? It was like Spurvy. Oh, is it over here like this? Spurvy cross.hpp. I think that's what it was. And then The damn YouTube's is full of nothing but blueprint reference, and I'm too lazy to translate. Yeah, sometimes it just be like that, bro. Where is this thing at? Where we cross this? So what's the problem here, Mister Pal? I have an issue. Oh, because I changed the name. Can I not have this? Can I use using namespace? Does it not do it? I thought this would have done it. So when are you gonna work on the viewport? What do you mean the viewport? What are you talking about? What the fuck? Can I not do this? I thought I could. Data source is ambiguous, so we just have to what? So I can't use it. Does it have to be a class? Or it's still not happening. It's not happy with this. Okay. Interesting times. Interesting times. The engine viewport. I mean, why do I need to work on the engine viewport? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, you're talking about. What are you talking about? The UI? Because I said so? No. Well, first of all, I don't understand what you're saying. The viewport would mean that I need to. Oh, you don't know what it is. I genuinely don't know what you're talking about. Fine, doesn't this work the way I think it works? When you open Unreal, the window that lets you see the actors in the world. Yes, okay. That's the viewport, right? I don't understand. Yeah, so I already have one. That like that's that's what's making me confused. The view, like my understanding of a viewport was the rendering of the screen. Can you look, right click and fly around? Yes, yes you can. Bro, I need you to pay attention, bro. Told you it was a good idea. Okay, buddy. So I couldn't just, man, this sucks so much ass, bro. Fine, I'll just do it. Fuck it. You wanna be an asshole about it, sure. All right. Did I take out? Yeah, I did. I just want to pass in references to these things just so I don't have to worry about stuff. All right. So, okay. So now we go back over to here and we basically copy this whole thing. Like, Jesus Christ. See, at that point, I might as well just... fuck. Shit's just so much nonsense for no reason. Where's this at? It's in Spurvy Cross? Is that where this is? It's already... Oh, it's in Spurvy GLSL. Lord help me. So instead of doing all of that, how about we do live? Do I have to have that? Man, this is so annoying. Oh well, nah, that doesn't work because I just tried it. Let's say I take this, right? We pop it at the top up here. And then we go back over here. And then let me just put that back. We need to input a GLSL compiler, which I think is the... Wait, that exists already? All right, and now let's try doing this now. So, where's my GLSL? So we do all this. And then we're gonna have to just yeah, just take all this and then so we copy all that out and then we get rid of everything in here. All this. We replace everything with this. Oh, whoops. Wait, what the fuck is uniform members? What? Oh, those are two different things. So, whoops. Oh, hold up. That makes sense. But then my uniform members is something else I have to grab from up here. So we just take those. Put that up there. And the only thing that needs to happen is fixing this part. Now I don't know. So let's see. Let's see. So now what do we call? We call load uniform. Load. I mean, I should probably name it load shader resources. I'm gonna change it. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if I could do this at any point. It doesn't matter, right? I could just do it down here. Okay. Wait, why am I having an issue here? Oh. Okay. Only issue I have is this has const data uniform. And what do I do with this? What was the point of this again? I forgot why I did that. Is tell something. Fuck, what was this for exactly? What was I doing this with? Or what was the purpose of these things? So Dream Shader. And then has material. So if it's a material, oh, okay. And then when I'm, do I even like do anything with that? Oh, that's just, oh, okay. I see what that's supposed to be. What should I name this? I should that song's kind of fire. Let's take these, right? Put them under here. And after this for loop, we do hazmat equals so now we go back to here. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Just so I can fucking read this shit. Like, holy hell. Eh? Can you move? All right, there we go. All right, this looks good, I think. Okay. Finally, this looks a little bit more readable, but fuck. So what I need to do is check to see if this broke OpenGL. And if it works here, it should be fine. Error. Wait, what happened? Oh god. Do we not have the right thing? God damn it. So we need to include... Can I not? Ah, oh, fuck. Give me that back. All right. Oh, this is so perfect that I feel like I'm actually getting stuff done. So can I have this? Can I not just have that here and call it a day? How is that incompatible? Like, it's just annoying that I have to go through all of this nonsense. Can I, how do I... Yo, what's going on, GG? Man, I totally forgot how to do this. So maybe I can define this here and then include the libs here, right? That's how that works. If I get rid of this. Or do I have to have them in the same file? I am not sure. Oh, time to fuck around and find out. Is this Smash Brothers? Final Fantasy 7. Where the fuck am I? Where am I? Let me see something. I have to say, I didn't realize this is actually a coding channel, dude. It's when people are just so many people in chat, but like, I tried, dude. I tried. Yo, Dragon, what's going on? How you doing, man? Warning. Was there? Okay. All right, there we go. All right, cool. I type in the function name plus the declaration has GLS in the parameter resources in the parameter. Wait, what? While the definition has a GLS on compiler. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, that is a good point. I was messing around with this because it was originally a resource, but then I had to switch it around. I'm good. Was doing some graphics programming, but I gave up. It's too difficult, bro. Don't worry, I understand. I was doing a little bit of graphics programming right now, to be honest, with getting this uniform buffers working and trying to get basic lighting. So trust me, I understand your pain, but I haven't even done anything with graphics programming yet. Oh, whoops. There you go. Resources. Sorry, I'm too busy to like figuring out why the fuck it's breaking to worry about the naming convention, or not the naming convention, but these two letters. I'm just like, man, and I guarantee you it's because I'm just typing too fast. That's the problem. Where am I in here? And then when I write it once, I just copy it over to the other places I need to. I'm just trying to convert my BPM into raw, but everything online uses file and not Fstream. All right, that's I don't know how to help with that one, Chief. They aren't that different. Hey, well, look, hey, maybe What's Up can help you because I don't know what the answer to that one is. Okay, so this works. That's cool. But now I need to see if this works for be a man and use real language like a Chat GPT. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna be one of those people that don't use Chat GPT ever. I feel like it's a cop-out. But then when I get out-coded by a fucking person that just randomly threw in 2 sentences into Chat GPT, I'm gonna feel real bad. Okay, and then my information is getting placed down. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so now let's take what we just did here and try to do it with DirectX 11. So let's go to my load shader. So where's my load shader? Okay, so we get rid of literally everything right here. Even the creation of the resources, get rid of that. And I'm pretty sure the HLSL is the same thing. Yeah, it is. Okay. And then we just get rid of one of these. We get rid of this. There we go. Okay. What am I doing here? Flags. So this is the actual creation of the thing, right? Oh, this is, oh, it's more than that. Yeah, I need to do a whole bunch more. Damn. I could be getting a long arm right now. Bro, you want to go grind the dungeon? Bro, we will, don't worry. We'll play. I told, look, if everybody read the chat, read the title, it's going to be a short stream today. I know, but when I don't understand what either the example codes are doing, excuse me, I can't get it to work. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. It's like you got to have a 5-head, wrinkly brain to figure out what this person's doing. My problem with examples is that sometimes they include stuff that I don't know what the include is. ChatGPT lied to me last night. I asked an aggregation culture question, excuse me. I had culture in my head for some reason. Last night it told me something was possible. Asked it again, and it said it wasn't. Until they fix that, we should be good. Okay. How does ChatGPT even work? It sends a message to Mikey, and he has to respond. Yeah, it's all going through me, bro. Both read synchronously into a buffer. Both have text and binary mode. F-stream is a little bit different, a little bit weird with the error bit. Make sure you don't get confused between text mode and binary mode. All right, so let's see. So I swapped out all this. Now let's see what happens. Do I still get the same result? Nope, I do not. What the fuck is happening? Oh, whoops. I forgot I had to take that out. My bad. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on. I'll try that again. Why would you want a wrinkly brain? I prefer a smooth one, way more aerodynamic to Naruto run. Damn, bro, are you trying to go faster than the speed of light? What's wrong with you? What are you building anyways? So I don't know if we ever mentioned what we were. Bro, this song is making my ADHD go crazy right now. What the fuck is happening in this song? Okay, so essentially I'm making a multi-platformed engine across 4 different graphics APIs. So right now we're drawing this same engine, drawing this triangle and parallelogram in the back using DirectX 11. What's the name of the song? Gensu. Hold on, I'll pause it. Gensu Suikoden 4? Is that 4? Original soundtrack? I have no idea. Listening to the Ringling Brothers soundtrack. What is that? What the fuck is that? I listen to this song regularly. Full blast on repeat? You're bugging. No shot. I don't believe that. But yeah, we're making a multi-platform engine. So right now we have DirectX 11 and OpenGL working right now. I'm trying to get DirectX 12 and Vulkan working. And then we're going to be lit. Essentially what I was doing is I was trying to place down uniform buffers onto our shaders, but you know how each graphics API does it differently. So I created this abstract way of grabbing that information and storing it appropriately so that it can place it down properly across all the platforms. And now it's working on DirectX 11 and OpenGL. We just need to check to see DirectX 12, DirectX 11, and then checking to see if it's DirectX 12 and Vulkan. So yeah, you see my meshes are being drawn, and then I have lighting in here, which for some reason it goes fucking fast, but we'll look into that later. The circus. Oh, that's what that is. What you don't understand or what code doesn't work. I generally have no clue what's happening. I'm just going to tell people I'm watching a Dakota triangle if they ask that. Bro, that's more than enough. That should explain exactly what I'm doing. Tell them that I'm making a gamer triangle. That's all you have to say. But yeah, so I have this working on DirectX 11 now and OpenGL. Now we need to check. I think I was trying to do DirectX 12, right? So the next thing we need to do is replace everything that we were just doing. So where is this thing at? Where is that function that I was just fucking around with? Here you go. Okay, and then we go down here, or we go up here, and we try to get this is not the right thing. Where's load shader at? Here we go. That was a reply to Dragon. Oh, I guess I should just DM him or something. Oh yeah. I saw what you were saying. You were replying to him, so I kind of knew. I just read everything that comes my way, or I try to, or I skim it. All right, let's get rid of this now. And there we go. So let's do that, and then let's get rid of this, and then get rid of that. And we get rid of this. Put that there, and then we get rid of this. Okay. Whoa, what the fuck? All right, and I don't know. Was it working before? I don't think the DirectX 12 was working. I think something else was breaking, right? Or was it just black? That's what I was trying to figure out. What the hell? Continue? Oh, it was just black. Okay. So where's my thing? Oh, it's not. What the hell is going on with this? Why is it not showing? That is interesting. Yes, big triangle. Thank you. You're asking what code of mine doesn't work? Not sure. I don't know what I'm doing. And right now I got my texture loading, but it's not mapping it onto the object properly. Oh, okay. Interesting. Is it like UV problems? Interesting predicament we're in, because we should be printing out stuff to the screen. I don't know why it's not doing that. So what happens if I do this? Where do I go? Oh, I didn't know we okay, I see. That is an interesting thing. Why am I doing this here? I need to get rid of this frame counter. Hold on. This is probably important to figure out why I'm doing this here, because I already have a frame counting nonsense, and it doesn't even work. Okay, that sounds like cap, but why did I write this again? I'm trying to remember. What was the purpose of this? Frame counter plus plus. My actual mapping works fine because I use the same place of code I use for mapping raw files, which is all okay. So it's something to do with how I'm storing the BPM file data. Oh, maybe. Okay, that kind of sounds all right. But then, yeah, I guess that goes back to your main point of like, how is BMP files stored then? See, my problem is I'm trying to figure out, do I need this? Am I using anything here that is important in the engine? I don't think so. I think everything is just self-contained in here, and I think I just delete it. Lapse in seconds. Frame counter. Yeah, I don't think I need this function at all. So hold on, let's just do this real quick. All right, let's see. Oh, now it works. Whoop-de fucking do. So we were fine. All right, good to know. So let's just get rid of this then. All right, cool. Wait, is this from this one song? Oh man. All right, so DirectX 12 works now. Let's go. Big plays. I don't know anything about that, but if you do weird reinterpret cast invoked UB, your memory alignment, I need to bro. Oh my god, you know what's crazy? On one of my interviews, they asked me about explain to me reinterpret dynamic, static, and cons cast. And the one that I always get this mixed up. I can explain cons cast, I can explain static cast, but I keep getting that. I guess I don't really know what dynamic cast is, because I know what reinterpret cast is. It's just reinterpreting a pointer to another. Oh, I did answer it correctly. Actually, I'm stupid. Dynamic cast is for from like a child to a parent or a parent to child, right? That's dynamic cast. Is going between the hierarchy. I mean the I was gonna say patriarchy. The like parent to child and child to parent or some shit like that. Now support Steam Deck. How about no? And let's see if my information, and it's getting placed down correctly. Boys, we are super fucking lit. Holy hell. I don't even use reinterpret cast. I just use the default, like, I mean, Dragon, I'm not gonna hold you. I do the same thing. I still do the same thing, but I know I should be using the cat because it's just safer. I think that's the reason why. C-style cast can be reinterpret cast on the hood, so you shouldn't do that type punning. You shouldn't do type punning, at least in C++. Mikey over here just win everything like a cowboy. Yeehaw, bro. We living in the wild, wild west. My shit is no pointer. Fuck me. Okay. Oh, wait. No, I was on DirectX 12, right? That was DirectX 12. Yeah, it was. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're getting this shit online easy. I'm so happy that the everything that we did is working the way it should. The only problem that I'm having, though, we definitely need to come back to DirectX 12 because we didn't really fix everything. We kind of bandaged. We used a band-aid because if I remember correctly, DirectX 12 we just hard-coded everything. Michael, what? Live dangerous, live rush free. What's type punning, bro? I want to know what type punning is. What does that mean? Are you talking about like straight up just like doing the parentheses? Long stream or riot, bro? I need to go play shit with Avery. I gotta play Destiny. I started coding 4 months ago, so I don't much. Bro, I've been coding for 6 years and I don't know what type punning is. So have you solved the file reading and writing problem yet? If not, stream it then, bro. No one wants to watch us play that. Nah, I'm actually working on my C# libs on top of Rust dependencies. Well, Panda's just in a different breed, bro. Stream Destiny, bro? No. Why do you guys want me to stream it? It is not fun to watch. We just being stupid. Yes, I've never seen it. Exactly. Why would you want to watch something you've never seen? Well, it's not fun to watch it. Is it really even fun to play? What? Nah, I beg to differ. I mean, you know, I don't think personally I don't think poker is fun to watch, but I'm pretty sure it's fun to play. I come for the familiar faces, not the games. Don't lie. You just suck at the game. Oh, I just don't want to keep dying in front of you guys. Yes, that's exactly why. I am now making Mikey think the hard questions. Yes. Well, that is a good question, but I wouldn't say that. Poker is trash to play as well. Fuck. I said I don't play poker either. I don't even know how to play poker. Mikey straight up hot dog water. Am I? Type punning is reinterpret cast a pointer type to anything other than its original type, or char pointer, unsigned char pointer, signed char, uint8t, blah blah blah, by accessing a union's inactive member. A union's? Oh wait, are you talking about what I was doing? What I was doing before with the union stuff? But everything I've seen and liked, I didn't know I liked seeing until I saw it for the first time. So Destiny falls into the same category. I mean, fair enough, but like it's just gonna be us grinding and doing like the same shit over and over and over again. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I leave that stuff for the secret streams because I feel like in the daytime, you know, people come here to see some code and maybe some ass and titties on the side. You know what I mean? Right. So our load shader is working and we're doing pretty good. The only problem is when we create a graphics pipeline, we're doing it, we're hard coding it. So that is the big issue. I mean, people who go to the strip club like seeing other people grinding on a metal pole. So see, but that's you're missing like 7 other pieces there of why they also go. And almost all 7 of them I don't have. So it feels bad, man. Usually usage is cast a buffer pointer into another type, like char buffer pointer equals the double pointer. Interesting. So equals blah 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 blah, and then double pointer x is equal to double pointer cast buffer pointer plus 10. So you're just indexing basically with that buffer plus 10 and then casting it over and then dereferencing x to be equaling it to 20. Okay, I see what you're saying. That took a minute to read through because it's not like, you know, in line. Okay, but we are here watching you grind against Visual Studio 2022 being a masochist, so maybe if we like watching you grind code, we like you grind Destiny. I don't know about that one. Puggies not mandatory. I mean, look, I'll give it some thought, okay? I'll give it some thought. But it's the day-old age problem with, like, you know, doing streaming and doing content online. Is that people, you know, people come to watch specifically what they want to watch. And, you know, I guess it takes a lot of guts and balls to stream something else and hope that other people, you know, people still enjoy it. It's not even like, you know, what's crazy? I don't even care if, like, if it's, you know, if people are watching me. It's more so if you guys are entertained. That's the main thing. Like, I've changed my perspective of it. It's not like, oh, people aren't gonna watch me if I play this. It's more about like, will I be able to make this entertaining enough for people to watch? I don't even have it open right now. From looking at it though, are you telling me I can just paste the entire BMP file data into the OpenGL and it'll understand? Right now I'm trying to split it all up into the correct headers. This is why I don't stream programming or at all. I mean, you get what I mean, though. You understand that, like, the mentality. Because when you, like, I feel like, bro, we are at, do you guys know, do you see this? We are at 180 followers, bro. Like, we started streaming in February. And I had 32 followers in February. We went up, like, 160, 50 followers. It's funny watching you. You're the joke. I mean, that's I would hope that that's what it is. But, you know, that comes down to me and, you know, my mentality. Because, I mean, I guess not necessarily here. I'm not necessarily here for entertainment. I mean, true, but like it's all about. Wait, so why are you here? Wait, what? You're not here for entertainment? Because I'm not saying that I'm entertaining. I'm just saying that, you know, watching someone, you know, program could be entertaining. Streaming programming is too daunting. Everybody can see and judge how bad of a coder I am. Dude, how do you think I feel? I always feel like I'm being judged, but I know that you guys aren't doing that. So it's just a mental thing. I guess my thing here is that we are watching you programs. So anything that provides at least that much entertainment. I mean, I guess if I think of it as like, you guys already come here for background noise. And so if, like, you know, if I do choose to play games on my channel, you guys would probably still stay just for the background noise anyways. So if I think of it that way, you can read parts of the file into the headers directly, or just read the whole thing into a buffer memory and then process it however you like. Mikey, I'm judging you for your coding skill. Yeah, Pong, how long you been coding for, brother? Like, we only judge you because you procrastinate. It's not me though. Okay, we're not getting into this conversation. We come here to watch you cast pointers, literally. Facts. Everyone sucks at programming, but if you have a neck beard and you see that you have to be good. But thank God I don't have a neck beard, right? So I can be bad. Why not play Exoprimal Beta? Avery told me to download that today. I coded more than you have. I don't procrastinate. That's a big cappity cap if I've ever seen one. Oh man, so this is the problem right now. We need to fix this. We have to change what we're doing here. I think it has to happen somewhere else. Whew. I found your stream because I was looking for a programming stream that I guess let me also feel relaxed, and most of the streams I don't feel as relaxed in. Dude, I feel like you've definitely opened up. Like, I remember, see, it's funny because I feel like you were so like a hard ass when you came in for the first time because you were strictly programming. I don't know what happened, what I did, but now everybody's just unhinged and I feel so happy. I want you to know that I'm happy that each and every one of you guys are here. You guys make fun, streaming fun. Like I said, you wanted just see I can provide. Feels good, man. I'll expect nothing less. Okay. Well, let me just do something for a second. So let's try Vulkan now. So the problem with, man, Vulkan's gonna be a bitch and a half. Okay, where is my load shader? Ooh, who's going? Yo, whoever's on this track is going crazy. As soon as I joined yesterday, I can tell this is the most unhinged programming scene I've ever seen. Dude, we didn't do anything yesterday. That was dude, I'm telling you guys, yesterday the anxiety was crazy. I don't know what was happening. Like, dude, I've never had that many I have anxiety, right? But it's never been as bad as it was yesterday. I don't know why. And like I said before, it wasn't even you guys. It was just like it just kept popping up out of nowhere, and it was like rough. It was like it was like a flame that just bursted in my stomach, and it just like I was like, whoa, what is happening? And it would just happen consistently, and I would suppress it and it would come back, and I'm like, Jesus. But in my long time on Twitch, there are many places where I feel like I need to keep up a certain level of involvement or just lurk, so I lurk. I mean, I encourage people to lurk. I feel like a lot of channels are, you know, foundations is lurkers. You know, there's probably people in the chat right now that aren't talking, but like definitely still watch and support, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. I appreciate all of you anti-social motherfuckers in chat. That's a free kiss for you guys. Bro, you were so sweaty on stream. I was? Wait, I was sweating? Oh, well, at least you learned how to do your taxes from Master Chief. Yeah, bro. He said, and what happens if you do tax fraud? How do I get out of it? Yeah. But if I want to talk, I can't in those streams, and I think by default most streams feel like that to me, and that I need to lurk or meet a certain level of involvement. I don't care. Like, look, Xana Rias, yo, welcome to the stream, fam. I appreciate you. Look, that might be the last message I see from you, but I appreciate you. So anxious, you started putting holes in the wall, bro. I put holes in the wall if I'm happy. All right, I put holes on the wall in general. And your belt unbuckled. Okay, see, I didn't understand why you guys got so weird about that. I'm at my house. I need to my belt is unbuckled right now. Y'all are just weird. Who the fuck said lurkers are antisocial? I mean, not me. Yeah, I mean, a bunch of my friends stream, and I'm sure they are fine if I lurk in, but if they know I'm there, they usually want to play something, etc., and I usually show up in the moment that my brain is turned off. But I'm trying to go back to programming immediately. You put holes in the walls, glory holes. Ha. That's why the Captain America shield's there. Bro's trying to whip it out. No, bro. You guys want me to just get banned? I guess, considering his pants were... My pants were not coming down. All right, now you guys are just lying. That is not... No, there's no... That is not a true moment. No, I literally felt my pants on my ass cheeks. Like, we were fine. Japan... Okay. All right. You guys won't let me have anything. Yeah. Also, my mom loves you guys. I don't understand why. She's just so she loves the conversations that we have. Where is OpenGL? Where is that at? I'm gonna grab this. What happened? Dude, I can't feel my pants on my ass cheeks. Are you wearing pants? What do you mean? Because my pants are where they belong? Further, bro, your pants is the entirety of your legs. Like, it's not just the waist part. Like, are you telling me that you have like airtight? You don't have. It's not airtight pants, but like, I feel my pants. Like, I don't know what you're talking about. You walk. Oh, you have shorts. Oh, excuse me, my bad. You're one of those people that walk around in like negative 40 degrees in shorts. You're one of those sickos. Why do I need to reflect? Okay. And compiler. Does this work? Fuck, what is this? Excuse me. Tight as fuck pants? Bro, it's because I have thick thighs. I don't know what to tell you. I didn't ask for this. I feel my pants on my waist. Dark Souls boss team? Yes, sir. That's Dark Souls. Ew, shorts? Yes, I am. I came from the north just like you, Mikey boy, bro. But I wasn't the crazy people that would go outside in the middle of winter, bro. I used to go to, so I went to school at RIT, right? What the hell is reflect? Why are you asking me that question? I was having a hard time with Vulcan. Okay, it's reflecta. Okay, I just left out a few letters. So I went to school at RIT, and that's Rochester. It's upstate New York, and it's basically almost Canada. And my school's on a swamp, and we had a lot of wind tunnels. So it used to get like negative 40 degrees over there. It used to be negative 40 degrees, and I would still see people walking outside with shorts and t-shirts on. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Like, go put on some jeans or something. Like, man, I got in, didn't go because they didn't give me any scholarship money. Bro, okay, you gotta understand though, I'm definitely in debt. I'm not gonna hold you guys. Going to school at Rochester, I barely got scholarship money, like you said, Panda, and I'm like 30K. Like, I got a lot of stuff to pay off. So trust me, I understand. It was a lot of money. Like, there used to be like a meme on campus where it was like, we pay all this tuition so that RIT could spend it on balloons, because they used to go crazy with balloons like during like a festival or something. It was so stupid. Too bad you don't almost have health. I don't have, what do you mean? I don't have that shit at all. I feel bad, man. I think that's the reason why I don't do anything either, is because I don't have healthcare right now because I don't have a job. So if I break something, I'm just going to live with that forever. I am not going to the hospital. Okay, well, I got into Drexel in that school. Oh, you actually got into Drexel? I remember I was applying to that school. So I think Drexel, I even applied to Full Sail and RIT. And guess what? I got rejected to RIT. I got rejected from Drexel, and I got rejected from Full Sail. And Full Sail accepts anybody and everybody. They're just whores. But yeah, I had a whole entire like story of like how I got into the gaming major. Sorry to hear you live in a third world country. Yeah, we're going down the shitter, bro. Throwback to Full Sail, bro. They're still alive and thriving, bro. They still got ads everywhere talking about, you want to become a programmer? Join Full Sail. We have the best people. And then that's the end of the ad. Well, this is interesting. So what, how am I? Wait, what am I doing with this? What is happening? Did I get rid of something that I shouldn't have? Hold up. So what is compiler? So is GLSL a compiler instead? Oh, maybe. Hold on. Hold up. Should I put a compiler in then instead of what I was doing before? Let me close down this and then let me see what we're doing here. Yeah, I think I need to put compiler because if I look at this, yeah, it's a compiler. Okay. I see. And then Spurvy Cross. Is that all I needed? Was Spurvy Cross the HPP? Oh, that's interesting. Throwback to Full Sail. It was a response to you saying it was almost Canada. Oh, that's what you meant. Oh, all right. Whoops. Yeah, I see what you're trying to say. I know that one. The compiler compiles stuff. You're welcome. Thank you, man. Dude, what would I do without you, Dragon? Never leave my channel. Your wisdom will take me far. So let me close this down, and then we go in here. So we need to actually just put in a compiler, I think, right? Does this link to where it needs to be? Spurvy-cross.hpp. I might need to do this then. So we just bring this over. So instead of doing this, we do this. So this shouldn't change anything. And then instead of doing all this, we do this in here. And we get rid of this. And then we just name this to just replace that around with the GLSL nonsense that we were doing. Okay, my 4 months into a game course can save anybody. Let's go. You're gonna make the next like Naughty Dog game. I was going to apply for RP. Oh yeah, I forgot about RPI. That's something Poly something Institute. Is something? Oh man, I remember that in Fordham as well, but I was too lazy. I only applied to Rensselaer. Is it Rensselaer Poly? Yeah, that sounds all right. I only even applied to Drexel because they gave me a 2-page application. It was bro, you're just fucking lazy, bro. Bro did the bare minimum to get into college. You know, don't they have like 10? Don't you have to fill out like 10 different like schools? Did you only do like 2? I don't know how to spell it. Polytechnic Institute. I mean, I'm lazy. I say this. I mean, fair enough. I applied to 4. Damn, and your lucky ass got into 1. That's crazy. And I'm over here getting rejected by multiple. That shit was so sad. I'm telling you, I still hate the SATs. I went in there. I almost missed it because I got the bus that I was on, because you know, New York City, you take the bus and trains. The bus got stuck and I was waiting there for hours, and then when I got there, you have to print out like a specific thing to get into the room, and so I had to go run to the library and then print out the paper that I needed to get into the classroom to take the test. I was like, bro, what? Here in the UK, you just write a personal statement and click what universities you want to go to, and then that's it? And then they're like, you fucking what, mate? Here you go. And that's it? That's the end of it? I wish it was that easy. Wait, what? They better explain more. RIT, the one I went to, George Mason, because of my mom said, you have to apply to at least one in-state school. I skipped the essay for the George Mason's honors program and got in anyways. Red flag much. And Drexel because the application was easy peasy. Bro, they just wanted to siphon money from you, man. They wanted to take that shit. Oh god. Pretty much, unless you want to go somewhere fancy like Oxford, then you have to do scary interviews. If my mom didn't make me apply to GMU and Drexel applications, and the Drexel application wasn't 5 minutes long, I would have only applied to 2. Or just skip college uni like me and get into the biz with pure self-acquired knowledge. Bro, GG, you're just a different breed, okay? You're a different breed of human. But I basically only applied to any schools that I figured I was guaranteed to get in, which was part of why I dropped out of RPI and Fordham, because I didn't feel like I was doing their I didn't feel like doing their applications when I thought there was a chance to I would get rejected. Damn, bro didn't want to get caught lacking. He was just like, why apply to somewhere where I might lose? That's like saying I won't play a game with you because I know I'll lose. He gets himself before he gets got. That's what I just read. So yeah, when I went to RIT, I actually got rejected from the game design and development major program. I got rejected, but I got accepted into a different program called what was it? Digital media design or something like that. And I thought it was going to be in the realm of like, you know, technology, but when I got there my first year on RIT, bro, the major was about printing. I was like, what? I hate this. Like, there was a class to learn about paper and like what you should print on it and whatever, and ads, and I was like, I don't want this. Like, if I didn't get into the gaming industry, I was just gonna leave. Like, industry, gaming major, because the plan was for me to transition from within the school into that program, and so I needed to wait a whole year anyways. So I did all my classes. I even did typography. I feel like I should have never learned about typography, but I just do now. I know that fonts mean more than anything in the world. It means a lot more than I thought. And so yeah, it was about printing and shit and like paper and nonsense, and I was like, I hate this. But then funnily enough, I wasn't gonna, at the end, I wasn't gonna apply to transition to the game major, and my mom was like, you better do it. Just send it. Just full send it. See what happens. Because I had to write an essay. That was partly the reason why I didn't want to do it, because they wanted me to write an essay about how I want to be in the, you know, game designer, blah 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 blah. And I was like, I don't want to write this. And so my mom was like, just write it, five-head. And so I ended up writing it, and I got in somehow, because transitioning into the gaming major, it was already tough because there's so many applicants that want to be in that major in the first place. And on top of it, transitioning from within is even rougher because you already have 1 year in a different major, blah 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 blah. So the fact that I got in was fucking insane. And so my mom always holds that to me, where she's like, you know, you're the reason why you got into the gaming major. I'm like, yes, I know, Ma. I know. She is the reason why I'm here today. And you after the bus was stuck, bro. I wasn't even like that, Yeti, because I didn't care. I did not care about the SATs. I just don't like tests, period. So yeah, I got into all 4 schools I applied to, but that's because I didn't apply to a single reach school. Fair enough. My school had game dev program, but the courses always conflicted with my Japanese classes, so I didn't. Bro, you fucking weeb, bro. Why? No, I'm just talking. Relax before you start spazzing on me. He's like, hey, I wanted to just do Japanese classes. It doesn't mean I need to be a nerd game dev. How dare you? No. I understand. I actually took 3 semesters of Japanese when I was in there. Use Wingdings fonts and Comic Sans. Bro, my teacher was like, I'll fail you if I ever see Comic Sans. I was like, yo. I was like, first of all, what the hell is a Comic Sans? Your mom made the right choice to make you fill it out. Yeah, dude, she really helped me out. Polar Twitch, yo, what's up, man? How you doing? What's going on, fam? We're just talking about school, you know, memories, nostalgia, all that extra stuff. And also, thank you for the follow. Mwah, that's a free kiss. I love games so much. I play them all the time. Am I in yet? Yeah, that's basically what my essay boiled down to. And you're the reason why you procrastinate so much. Exactly. And that's what I said in the essay. Unfortunately, a degree is more important than anything else to get entry level into a decent company here. My Japanese classes were purely electives, so I chose Japanese over game development. Originally, I was going to double major in math and computer science, comp sci, but I decided I was too lazy to put in the effort for the math major. Dude, you guys have to be some major nerds to get into a math major, bro. Whenever I hear someone that was like a minor in math or a major in math, I'm like, bro, did you guys touch grass? Like, that's crazy. Bro, I got a D in physics. Like, I was straight up, bro. I remember in like one of my so we had like this big final for my physics class. I didn't know what the answer was to this one open-ended question that you had to like write a whole entire paragraph about. So I ended up drawing a painting. Like, I drew, so it was like something about like a pipeline something. So I just drew a pipe that was leaking, and then this dude that was sitting there with a wrench in his hand, and he was just like, and then I wrote a text bubble. He was saying, I don't know what to do. And then my teacher gave me points for it because she thought it was fucking funny. I was like, okay, well, that's lit. She thought it was so funny that she took pictures of it, and the next day we had class, she was like, so I got this one test, and she put the pictures she took into a PowerPoint presentation and started going over the picture I drew. And she was like, yeah, this was actually really fucking funny. And I gave him the points for it. I was like, thank you for not telling anybody that it was supposed to be me. Also, what did you say, Polar? I feel some good vibes. Hell yeah, man. We're being chilling over here. It's like think of it as a cozy stream. But my foreign languages were purely electives because I took 4 years of Spanish in middle and high, so I was exempt. Damn, they exempted you because, bro, I took 6 years of Spanish in high school. Wait, and middle school. I was like, wait, I wasn't in high school for 6 years. Middle school and high school, and they didn't say shit to me. I failed one course. I got a D in OS concepts, retook it, and got a D again. That's not a failure. D's get degrees, bro. Don't bruh me. I don't know what to tell you. That test was hard because I didn't attend the daily quizzes, murdered my grades. The class I failed was also because of a non-attendance. Supposedly attendance was required for 100 to 200 level courses. That F was in the 300 level courses. Attendance not mandatory. My fucking ass. I was insta failed for not attending. Bro, show up. Bro, all you have to do is just show up to class. Good teacher. Yeah, she was fire. I was happy that she did that for me because like I needed those points, man. I needed anything. Daily quizzes affecting your final grade is a scam, dude. Because it just forces you to go in. I got an A the next year when I retook it with my friends. I was originally a year ahead of my class. Oh, you're from Spain? Let's go. Shout out to Spain, bro. Wait, what time is it for you, Polar? Okay, but dude, I got an A in the following year because I showed up. Clearly, I knew my shit. I just didn't feel like wasting my time. Bro is low-key a main character. Like, he's over here just like not being his best, and then when he does try just an inkling, he becomes like his brain turns from smooth to wrinkled. Like, this is why I don't want to prepare myself for lead code style interviews. I don't want to waste my time. Yeah, it sucks. Oh, it's what is that? That's 1 in the morning, 1:25. Damn, bro, are you like are you a vampire? Are you like do you stay up at night? Those are sleepy go night time. Go Betty bye time. Also, let me finish what I was doing here. Okay, so I changed everything here, right? And we changed everything here. And that means that when I go here, I should be able to now drop. Can I do this? Oh, fuck. Oh, whoops. Okay. Get rid of this. And then we get rid of this. And then I think I just do this, right? All right. Would you say I could spend 6 months practicing to ace every leak code interview, or I could just spend 6 months writing useful code? Oh, that's 1225. I just realized you have 2 bears in the chat. Panda and Polar. Yeah. Yeah, y'all are some beasts. There you go. Y'all are some animals. I like to pretend I'm not. Whoa, what the fuck? That was a whole paragraph. Wait, hold up. I like to pretend I'm not using my full brain power writing and print to console statement. It makes me feel smarter. Yeah, bro, that shit. Look, I'm not gonna hold you. That shit is kind of rough. Doing printf, that's a lot. My league brain intercepts your name as being a chemically enhanced rat shooting people with poison arrow bolts. Oh, you talk about Twitch. Oh, I was like, wait, what the hell is the sentence? So I was like, oh, you're talking about League of Legends. Ah, damn. You gotta cleanse your brain of League, bro. I walked into the Discord with Avery and them, and they were queuing up for rank flex for League. I was like, what the fuck? You guys are playing League again? That was crazy. In high school, a friend showed me some random Visual Basic code of a game that he was making, Drag and Drop Hell, not professional at all, and that opened my third eye. I started seeking programming knowledge. I fucked around in high school and learned programming stuff instead whenever I had free time. At the ripe age of 22, I applied to this dog shit company I'm at now. It went downhill later, and they hired me. I may have been lucky to get in without a degree, but hey, but now you can leave, bro. You could just leave. Start applying, bro. Now we just need someone with named Grizzly so we can get the Holy Trinity, bro. That would be the day. But yeah, Polar, hopefully you enjoy your stay here. We out here working on a game engine right now. So if you have any questions about programming or what I'm doing, just drop it. There's no wrong answers unless it's a really wrong answer or a shitty answer. No, let me stop. Show the game engine a little. Oh, shit. Wait, it might be broken. Wait, no, it's not broken. So here, I'm gonna show you something fantastic. You ever seen The Last of Us, right? You know, it has like ray tracing and like polymorphic rendering. I don't know what the fuck it's called, right? So my engine right now, I'm gonna show you what it can do. You ready? So it's almost on par with Naughty Dog. So I actually got pretty close with this engine. So I have a triangle, right? And it's an RGB triangle. And you could zoom. You could zoom in, so you could quick scope the triangle. And you can move around. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. Let's go. But it wasn't really I just needed to try thing. OS Concepts bored the fuck out of me because they weren't doing low enough level shit. They were stopping right about all of the hard questions. I wanted the answers to the hard questions, you bum. You know, it's the weirdest thing because like whenever you teach like new people programming, you know, you leave out those hard the hard answers just so you could explain the higher level concepts of it so people don't, you know, get confused. But I get what you mean. As a kid, I definitely had an image of universities being some bastion of learning. They're just extensions of education factories. We get churned out right before it. Bro, my whole thing about college was the fucking free electives that you had to do. I was like, bro, that is a scam, bro. It is a scam, man. Like, I was like, why do I have to do tennis? Why do I have to do archery? Why, bro? Like that was extra classes I had to pay for no reason. Like, why do I have to be well-rounded? Let me just go get my shit and leave. Sorry, it just pisses me off whenever I think about college. I like to zoom. My program doesn't do that. Don't worry, Dragon. With your skills, anything's possible. on my own, I started fucking around with bootloaders in high school. This me devoting all my time to programming is why I didn't get straight A's, because I got A's in the interesting classes like programming, calc, physics, and AP English, chemistry. Jesus Christ, you in AP English? Jesus Christ. I remember I was in AP World and I failed that shit immediately. I mean, I took bowling and swimming. Panda eating a whole chat. Man's just talking, bro. This is what happened. Panda's just yapping, bro. He's just talking, but it's all good. I should have taken bowling. Pass/fail. Oh, I would love archery. Yeah, they had archery, but the problem is that they always prioritize seniors over like any other cohort. I mean, year level. So I never got in because all of the seniors would always grab that. Like, bro, there was this one class that was like literally just watching movies, and I was trying to get in, and everybody would fill up so fast. I had to take Gothic. Ew, Gothic architecture. It was the dumbest shit in my life, bro. Gothic art, that sounds boring as hell. What were you just looking at? Buildings? Is that it? Did you have to memorize the like the chapel or some shit? Like, what was like going on in that class? So I got a B. What, in the bowling thing? It pisses me off too, Mike. Yo, Tuber, what's up? But swimming was easy peasy. A for me. I was not competitive fast, but I was on the swimming team at my high school. In high school, I was on the gymnastics team, and we would compete. So I only competed. So I was doing gymnastics for 3 years, and I was competing for 2 years, and that's where I got buff. You know, you see the guns. But you know what's crazy? In gymnastics, my coach said that you're either gonna get 2 types of bodies. You're either gonna get the really big, buff, and bloated body, or you're going to get really compact and strong body. And so I ended up with the compact muscles, while other people look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. So feels bad, man. Archery sounds like a cool as fuck class. Sorry guys, gotta go get my bow and arrows. Bro, if I got into that class, I would have bought my own bow and arrow. Bow. I would have done it. Basically just identifying archways. Is that it? That sounds boring though. I was in AP English, AP Physics, dual government, dual calc. Bro, you're just a big brain. Oh my god, bro. What was your high school life like? I got C in Spanish 4 because I was too busy practicing Japanese my junior year of high school, so I skipped the AP Spanish. Oh my god, yo, said who? Yo, what's going on? What do you mean, what the fuck? My man is back, bro. I've been back. What happened? Where you been? But I was in AP English in 6th grade and got B's, and I hated it. I like Gothic architecture, but what would you even do in that class? I don't know. I thought it was just looking at buildings. I mean, it could have been worse. I mean, I guess you could have like 300 pounds of fat. I mean, I'm at 225 right now. I coasted in regular English from 7th to 10th, or maybe even 11th, until my teachers told me to stop fucking around where I didn't belong. 12th was AP English, and I got a B. Awful. I've also been in AP 11th, but I can't remember. I spent all my time programming that class. It's not a governor's school though. Wait, what? I mean, it's been years I've seen you work on this engine. Oh yeah, it literally. Yo, I'm surprised you even remember this engine, bro. Bro, we've made so much progress since you've like last seen. I've been streaming since like February, because you probably don't know, but I lost my job. I'm floating right now. I'm interviewing, so I have all the free time in the fucking world. So I just been throwing myself at streaming. So. And yeah, I've only written 3 lines of code that just renders entire engine for me. Feels good, man. Like, it was not the top of my class, so I didn't get to our governor's school, which was our smarty pants. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. No, you haven't been streaming. You've been napping and doing other shit. Okay, but that's because I'm depressed. Okay, you gotta give me. That's a different story. All right, hold on. Yeah. Bro, my fucking thing is broken. Like, what? There you go. You do more just chatting than coding. How did you figure this out, bro? You've only been here for like 20 minutes and you already know my weakness. Don't worry. I mean, that's why it's a chill stream. You just gotta understand that's just how it be over here in this channel. Anyways, so we load our shader stuff. Bro, why are you angling the cam at your crotch? I'm not, bro. What are you talking about? I'm gonna use that excuse anytime I don't get any work done. chill stream, bro. Easy clap. It's definitely a chill stream. But I just like learning interesting shit. Feels good, man. Just yapping. Yeah, y'all are just yapping, bro. Stop yapping. You know what? Like Polar said, I need to start doing work. Okay. So the problem right now is I'm pretty sure that it's not going to work right now because I have to go to the create graphics pipeline, right? Where's the create graphics pipeline at? Where is this? Create? Here it is. So I'm assuming it has the same thing, right? Well, while you're here, download Exo Primal. Bro, you know damn well I can't download anything if I'm streaming. I cannot. Wait till he starts pulling his trousers down. That's the best part. Bro, not on this streaming platform. On livejasmine.com. I got you. But a few of my teachers understood in high school and college that they have a chronic issue of not putting enough effort into things I have to do. I mean, those are the best teachers because they know that there's unhidden talent there waiting to blossom. I remember like a long time ago, there's some dude doing his C++ homework and you were helping him on stream or some shit. I mean, yeah, it was a long time ago though. You talking about like in college? That's bullshit. Schools have a chronic issue of having too much useless and irrelevant bullshit marked as have to do. I mean, like I said, with taking electives, that was the problem. Is there anywhere else? Where's this thing at? Why do I feel like this is cap? Hey, you know what? Let's fuck around and find out. Let's just run it and see what happens. Because of my calc class, my teacher didn't care when I brought my rooted nook in. What rooted nook? What the fuck is that? To play video games, he just ignored when I had. Well, okay, it started running. That's pretty cool. He just ignored when I had to do homework one time. Gave me check marks. Okay, yeah, it was like 5 years ago, dude. It's been a long time. It's been so long. What the fuck? Cool, you're working on Vulkan? Yeah. So right now we have DirectX 11 working, we have DirectX 12 working, we have OpenGL working, and now we're trying to get Vulkan working. We're so close to being done. So let's see. Let's run it again. So I was actually kind of surprised that our engine didn't just blow up. That's like surprising to me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it again and look at if there's anything. Did anything happen in here? Failed to open pipe. What the fuck? What is this? What is Half-Life Scientist? Everything seems to be in order. I didn't write that. Where's this coming from? What the fuck is this? It's an OBS problem? Is that coming from my OBS? It's OBS hooked into Vulkan. Oh, I didn't know that. Ah, these cheese balls, man. They're over here outputting shit into my engine. That's crazy. Nook, if I remember correctly, is a Barnes & Noble's ebook reader. Oh, Panda is about to break his keyboard. I swear, bro. Bro, I don't know. What is your WPM, Panda? You be talking real fast. OBS problem? Is the OBS shit hooking into Vulkan? I have it too. Don't worry about it. Oh, okay. Well, the more you know.
I asked this before, but what's the reason for you to make this engine? Originally it was for just to learn Vulkan. But now I'm trying to make a open world engine. And yeah, it's just for learning. I asked this before, but what is the reason for you to make this engine? Is just for, oh, you're finishing it. Is it just experience, or are you just gonna sell it? I am definitely not. This is not selling anything. This is garbage code. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm just trying to learn. This is just garbage. If I only have OBS installed and it's not running yet, I still see those lines. How, Sway? Because I'm usually not trying to write with speed, because my words can't keep up with probably around 50 to 60. But then when I am trying, it's like 70 to 90. Bro, I type with my fingers. I type like this. I type like a unga bunga. But use it or lose it. It doesn't I don't usually need to type as fast. When are we gonna get the big titties and ass jiggle physics? We'll get there, don't worry. It's a process, bro. It's a process. Okay, so we gotta figure out why things aren't popping up on our information. So let's see, how are we doing this? I type with all my fingers, including symbols for programming, without looking at my keyboard. I think the fastest I've gotten is 3. I was gonna say 3 RPM. That's probably worse than me. My WPM is horrible. This is the load shader, right? Okay. Okay. So now since I did this, right? Now we finalize, which all should do the same thing. Descriptor binding. VK type uniform buffer. Descriptor binding layout. Pipeline main. So it seems like we did it right. So we have a pixel shader and a fragment bit. Makes sense. So it took you 3 minutes to write this message? Yes. WPM is my record. Then I spend another minute deleting to fix my spelling errors. Bro, that's just worse. Back in 7th grade, I was a hunt and pecker. What the fuck is that? Probably if I was 4 or so, then it would take me a while to type. Yeah, but I had a mandatory typing class that taught me how to type without looking, and that was well timed because that was around. I always keep saying that I need to learn how to type without looking, but I'm just too lazy. I have a general idea where they are, where the keys are on my keyboard. I can tell you where WASD is. It's on the right side. Okay, it seems like I'm doing everything correct. Descriptor count. Hunt and peck, starting at your keyboard hunting for your key and then packing the key with your index finger like your finger. Oh, I don't know. I've never heard that tech before. I can't really type without looking anymore due to my left hand. Wait, what happened to your left hand? No, the reason is on the left side. I don't know. Wait, you really have to look at your keyboard to type? I mean, I told you I have a general idea of where they are. So sometimes I could just like fake, like, you know, get it working. But like sometimes I have to do quick looks to see where where my fingers are at. I've been a huge nerd since I was a child, so I learned how to type on my own. I don't know the proper typing techniques, fingers going to specific places on the keyboard. I just know where everything is. It's floating typing or whatever, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I didn't know there was techniques like fighting on the dragon style keyboard styles. Like I didn't know. My dad is hunt and peck and my mom is touch typing. What the fuck, bro? There's different factions that I learned to type well from school. I look at the keyboard when the letters are wrong and I see it on the screen. Man, y'all are different. Also, why is it? How are we getting? It's like my information is just not so. It seems like my pixel shader is just not going through. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. Let's go down here and see what happens. Where's my bind? Where is update descriptor set? Is this why it's not working? Let's see. Oh, we have it still running. Whoops. But if I'm typing a password field and I can't see it regularly, I'm typing it wrong. I learned to type without looking as well. It's pretty fun. I lost a lot of movement and strength with the left side of my body. I used to be able to play PC games well, but not anymore. If so, I would most likely need to use a controller or joystick. Damn, bro. Damn, I feel bad. Sorry. That sucks. But that's why if I fuck up typing a password, I have to start from the beginning because my passwords are all muscle memory and I don't keep track of what letter I'm at. Although I was forced to try and learn to use the right shift for capitalizing letters, you never used it. Wait, who tried to force you to use the right shift? I have never touched that shit in my life. Right control? I mean, right control and right shift. I've never pressed that shit in my life. But my ex-team lead had commented on my freakish password typing at work, and he was just like, what the fuck? How long is your password? It's about 40 characters? What the fuck? Right shift? Yeah, who's the weird... What weird champ dude was telling you to use right shift key? My teachers were doing typing in class. In typing class, I touched the right shift for buffs in my Maple Story. That should be the only reason. What? I also tend to twitch with my left hand if I hold it in one spot for too long on the keyboard. Yeah, sometimes I think I play too much. I'm gonna get arthritis in my hands. I'm not gonna hold you guys. It's probably gonna happen with the way I play like MMOs. It's probably just gonna happen. Who the fuck uses right shift keys? I know. Oh, also Maito, welcome to the stream. I use right shift keys. Are you guys okay? Are you good? I took use paraphrase, not passwords. Oh, why did I say paraphrase? Oh my god. Use passphrases, not passwords to heart. Oh, so you just type into the computer? You saying I love you, baby? Is that what you're telling them? Nah, did you break your left shift? Little skim. All right, well, look, sometimes look, I was doing really well, okay? Look, I'm trying to upgrade my reading. That's why I will read everything, because like as much as it's I always default to skimming because I'm just like my mind is just like move on to the next thing, hurry up. So I'm trying to get faster. No, I told you with the situation with the left hand. Yeah. I go make passwords that are a long sentence that crisis. See, I see words and I want to fill it in with something that makes sense. Crisscrosses between multiple languages. Gotcha. Here, so what we're gonna have to do, actually, before we do that, let me see what information do we have in here. Binding points, lighting needed 1, 2, 3, as per usual. Is my binding point the correct thing that I'm doing here? Material data. Do this one more time. We get const data, which should be 0, and this next one should be 2 for light data. Okay, so we do binding point at that. And the buffer info. Okay, that seems about right. I'll go make backs. Ooh. Mike never learned how to read correctly. Bro, I've just never learned how to read fast enough for you guys. Y'all be just yapping and, you know, it be going so fast. You know, Polar wants to see some coding. You know what I mean? Okay, so we need to do, I'm probably gonna go look at RenderDoc to see what's going on with this, because it seems like everything's it's fine, but somehow the information is the information changing. Actually, it is. Okay, so it is. So we need to update our RenderDoc real quick. So let's go into our shaders. Let's open up this. So we're in OpenGL, so let's go over to, so we need to go outside into Vulkan, debug, and then we don't have a shader file for this. So we need to create a folder, name it shaders, I believe, and then copy over the SPV files over into here. And then we go to RenderDoc. Yeah. So let's open up RenderDoc one more time. No, I do not want to update. Not right now. All right, what's going on? My longest password is 20 characters. Bro, I just put my password is something so unconventional, no one will understand why I put that. By the way, I got Borderlands 3 just because my friend made me get it. Well, it feels good, man. You're gonna have a fun time. Same guy who made me get DCM5. I don't regret getting it. Such a good game. Feels good, man. Sounds like a W friend. I know exactly what's wrong from my own program. Basically, it's what? Don't leave me hanging. So we turn on the queue captures. We get 2 frames. Enable API validation. Collect call stack. I'm gonna just turn everything on. We put the executable path. We're gonna do Vulkan debug for this. Yes, sir. And I think this should just do it, right? I'm not forgetting anything, right? Passwords are different for each different purpose. Like besides my work computer, which have an automatic SSO synced password, my personal devices are all different. I can't believe you, bro. You have a big brain. All my passwords are the same. Yeah. Look. Hey, yo. Hey, look at my name on stream probably for the entire stream, bro. You're probably the only person in YouTube chat. Are you VipRack in disguise? Yeah, like how? This man only... yeah, that's the... I don't think he's even met Vip before. And then my password manager and my hard disk password, which I have encryption on, are both different from an account password. What's up, VipRack? That is just another dude. That is a Pokemon, bro. All right, let's see what happens. Allow access, the fuck? Alright. Alright, let's see. What